Good day, everyone, and welcome to our discussion. Today, we delve into one of the most profound and timeless questions humanity has ever asked: where did the universe come from? This debate brings together two distinct worldviews. On one side, we have the theistic perspective, which argues that the universe had a divine cause, an intelligent creator who brought everything into existence. On the other side, we have the atheistic viewpoint, which maintains that the universe can be explained through natural processes, without the need for any supernatural being. This isn't merely a scientific or religious discussion, it's a philosophical one, too, touching on existence, cause, and meaning. Let's begin with thoughtful, respectful engagement from both sides.
Thank you. I believe the origin of the universe points clearly to a creator. The universe had a beginning, and anything that begins to exist must have a cause. I see God as the uncaused, eternal source of everything, outside of time and space, who brought the cosmos into existence with purpose.
Thanks. I take a different view. While it's true the universe had a beginning, that doesn't automatically mean it was caused by a deity. Science offers several models, like quantum fluctuations, cosmic inflation, and the Big Bang, that may explain how the universe emerged from natural processes, without the need for a supernatural creator.
But natural processes still need an explanation. Even the Big Bang needs a cause. Why is there something rather than nothing? Science can describe the how, but it doesn't explain the why. That's where God comes in.
I agree science doesn't answer every question yet, but just because we don't know something doesn't mean the answer must be God. That's a God of the gaps approach. Throughout history, we've explained many mysteries through science that were once attributed to gods.
But we're not just filling gaps. The fine-tuning of the universe, the precise physical constants that allow life, suggest intentional design. That level of order and balance is extremely unlikely to arise by chance.
Fine-tuning is often overstated. First, we don't know if other sets of constants couldn't also support some form of life. Second, if there are many universes, as the multiverse theory suggests, we shouldn't be surprised that at least one like ours exists. That doesn't require divine design.
Even the multiverse doesn't solve the problem, it just pushes the question back. What created the multiverse? At some point, we need an ultimate, necessary cause, one that isn't physical. That's consistent with the idea of God.
But invoking a supernatural being is not an explanation, it's a belief. It's not testable or falsifiable. Science seeks natural explanations through observation and evidence. God might offer comfort, but it's not a scientific answer.
To me, the existence of the universe, its order, and its beginning all point to a cause beyond space and time, a cause with intention. That's why I believe in God. Science and faith are not enemies, they're different tools for exploring the same mystery.
I believe that science, though incomplete, is the most honest method we have for understanding the universe. We don't need to insert God to explain what we don't yet fully understand. Not knowing is okay, it pushes us to discover more.
Thank you to both speakers for the passionate and thought-provoking arguments. We've heard two very different interpretations of the universe's origin, one rooted in faith in a creator, the other in confidence in natural explanations. Whether you believe the universe began with a divine purpose or emerged through random chance governed by physical laws, one thing is certain: the mystery of our beginnings continues to inspire curiosity, exploration, and wonder. May this conversation encourage each of us to keep thinking critically, asking deeper questions, and listening with open minds. Thank you all for joining, and we'll see you next time.